Today's video is a follow-up of a client you've been asking for. Her nails started to become plicature, which means folding in half. You can see the center of the nail on her left foot was tented, but she has had great progress, and after today's service, the nail is completely flat. So stay tuned.
Booked plane tickets last night. We're going to just to try to get away. No, there's a facility that will plane ticket and book the hotel and got the rental car.
Right.
And then tomorrow I have to take him for an evaluation.
Hi. I mean, I could get somebody else to watch the dog, but they seem to be like, we want the dog. I'm like, all right. And they want us to go, but I'm like, we're taking all my kids.
Oh.
Which is, we haven't done since before COVID. So I'm super excited about that. And my middle child's bringing his girlfriend. Slash, going to be fiance someday. And then my daughter is taking her girlfriend. So there's 7 of us.
Fun.
Which I didn't realize. And my husband and I were talking about it on the ride here. He's so sweet. He took the day off of work because he doesn't want me driving in Detroit. Did you spend a lot on your tickets? Because I know with the gas prices, they said the plane tickets are going back up.
They were $997 a piece.
Yep. That's how much they wanted for us, even before the gas prices changed a few months ago. I think we bought our plane tickets after Christmas. What, we saved $200. I think ours went down. They were stayed before we left.
Oh my goodness.
I'm like, shoot. But yeah, we rented this house with a swimming pool. So it should be, we're, really just trying to relax and enjoy the sun. And they're bringing their golf clubs. The boys are going to golf. Girls will shop.
Oh, that's great.
I said to my husband, too, on the way here, I go, do you think we'll drive to Sedona again? And he's like, I doubt it. Not with all those people and then gas prices and stuff. Remember, I had the ingrown toe surgery, and they left that piece?
Left a little piece.
Do you see that a lot?
Not a lot, but occasionally.
Well, that's how much it grew since January. It kind of grows fast, doesn't it?
It does.
Are you happy the way that one looks, too?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I think it looks really good.
I just can't believe I have no pain. It's wonderful.
That's the most important part.
See? Did you call that number? All right, you need to call her because she wanted to do it before she went to lunch. She's having a hard time sending over that email. So, help her a minute, okay? Call her. Her name is Jen. Just give her a call. She's looking for your phone call. All right, bye. She had a doctor appointment yesterday. Oh my gosh. She's showing all the signs of being a diabetic.
Oh,
she's
no.
17. So she's not. The blood test work came out normal, so thank goodness. But she was late for work a little bit yesterday. Plato's Closet, they don't even pay barely any money, and they wanted to actually hate Disney. Did you bring your...
Yeah, it's beautiful. We sit outside. We always request a table outside.
Nice.
Beautiful views.
It is so much better just to do it yourself, but because it's fresher. But yeah, it's tedious, just like a coconut and a pineapple. I buy pineapple, but it is not fun.
Yeah, I just cut up a pineapple a couple of days ago.
Was it a good one?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I love that. I've been getting some ones that look really great, but then when you open them up, they're not. Same with avocado. I've been buying these avocados because I know what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to take that little seed at the top and peel it away. And if it looks like that kind of fluorescent green color, then you know it's good. But if it's black, it's rotted.
Oh, really?
Yeah. And I knew that it looked good, and I opened it up, and it was still rotted. And the price they're asking for avocado gelato area, it's just really, really great.
Wow.
But I think there's one in Lansing. How far are you from Lansing?
About 6 months. Yeah.
Wow, that's tough. Have you heard from the evil ex-wife? Where did she take off to?
She's in Florida.
Is she really?
Yeah.
She tried to call you guys?
We had to have some small contact about divorce stuff.
Yeah.
That's it.
Did you give her a piece of your mind?
No, I don't do that.
I don't either. I hate confrontation. But it was really unsafe for her to leave him there for 4 days alone.
Mm-hmm.
I think I might have would have said something like that, maybe. She could have laughed it, but let somebody know.
Yeah, she should have told somebody that.
Yeah, she really should have.
She left.
Are you nervous about shaving that part?
Nope.
Because it doesn't hurt at all. James, Michigan. I'm not sure how far away that is from here.
Yeah, I don't know. I've not heard of that.
Owasso? I don't think she's very far from Owasso. Do you know where that is? Yeah. They're little tiny towns.
I used to, but I
Same.
haven't had time.
Same. And I've gained a lot of weight during COVID, but it looks like we need to get in shape for Arizona. We haven't done anything.
No, usually you have to have something to motivate you.
I know. I always, like, when I'm there, I feel like you said one son lives at home and one lives away?
Yeah,
Yeah.
my 18-year-old. He just turned 18 last month.
He's a senior, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, my Lucy's a senior too. She just informed me that she doesn't want to have a graduation party. I'm so okay with it.
Yeah, a lot of kids don't want to.
So I'm just gonna give her cash. I'm shocked. I'm like, are you sure? Because I don't need to regret this someday. They are a lot of work to do that. Make all those poster boards with all the pictures and relaxing thing, but now people are just getting their hair removal, you know. Little gloves that have
Oh,
electricity.
yeah.
And it was supposed to help your hair grow, and you like get little shocks in your brain, head. I can't imagine that being good for you either.
Yeah.
Or, you know,
Yeah, the machines.
the machines.
Those are insane.
My mom and dad, since I'm at their house, they have this little machine. So I tried to use that all the time. It did feel kind of good, but it's just like a plate, like a. It kind of was on an angle, and you just put your feet on it, and you turn the dial, and it just kind of vibrates.
Weird.
But she bought it. They bought it.
Yeah, you can see this little hole here. That's where it was pinched. And now your toenail's over here.
Wow. I can't remember which one, but there was one time where I was cleaning out underneath my toenail, and I could take an orange wood stick and bring it all the way down. And then I think I might have told you about. Then I went and got the Christmas tree out of the basement, and when I pulled the box, my nail flipped up like a hood of a car. I had to go to the